Hey traders, it's John here and welcome to this weekly update. And interesting week last week with the moves that we had in the US dollar and the stock markets on the failure of Trump's policies, or his first policy that he tried to pass through, which failed miserably, which was the repeal of Obamacare. We've just seen US dollar weakening in early European trading this week, and I think there's going to be a general theme that we'll be looking at on the trading floor. Members were already alerted to this possibility of buy the rumor, sell the fact scenario as we move into the last week of the first quarter. So just having a look at a couple of things. I'm actually plenty on the watch list, but New Zealand dollar against the US dollar looks fairly interesting here. You know, we've come off this zonal area of support from these lows, and we've actually just created a higher low off this moving average, and the momentum's already started to tick higher. So we're positioned for further upside, just looking to run it up until these areas and then review once we reach those points. So it's been pretty good trading US dollar weakness, and looking at US dollar against the Swiss franc, you know, we've closed below these huge key support levels here, and really opens up the doorway to test these next levels of support. And I don't think it's out the realms of possibility for the Trump trade to unwind. You know, we can see here that was the election bar last year, and now we've just starting to potentially unwind that trade, and maybe, who knows, we could be trading back to the pre-election levels of November 2016. So that's really one of the major focuses for us this week, and from this one theme, there's a whole host of different markets we're looking to trade. So keep an alert out, or keep a watch out on any alerts that we send your way through the Golden Playbook. And you know, I was speaking to a couple of our students over the weekend in our monthly sort of catch up, and you know, with trading, it's all about trying to make your life as simple as possible. And whilst I don't try to use a lot of different indicators and things like that, I like to keep things simple. As many of you know, a lot of the team here, we're a lot of different styles, but we always like to keep things simple, just trying to find out, okay, what's moving, and then just trying to find the best possible entry. That's it, okay, with the best possible reward to risk. But it's all about trying to simplify your trading. And yeah, I do use scanners a lot. This kind of tells me everything that is very weak right now. So everything that's below moving averages, plus certain momentum criteria and stochastic, and it just gives me a very quick snapshot on where I should be trading today. So for example, CAD Swiss, triggered here to the upside, and I can see the fact dollar Swiss is there as well. Saying that Swiss franc is actually quite strong, and we were looking at CAD Swiss, and we had a couple of trigger points here early on, just by using a very simple process. Okay, and that's really what it's all about. So always trying to keep it simple. Many of you guys will obviously know this or be familiar with this with the stock market mastery course anyway, but it's something I've been tailoring towards the forex market as well. And looking at the stock market, I mean, indices, we're still looking to be long-term buyers on stocks, but indices are in the phase two. So we have a few short positions running, nothing big, nothing major. We're not one directional to the short side. We're still looking to buy the beginning of the next impulse wave to the upside. Okay, but a lot of the markets are starting to move below their moving averages. You can see the S&P starting to trade below its 20 moving average. Okay, when the market gets back above these moving averages, starts to take out previous high, then we'll be looking to get to the long side. Right now, just playing it to the short side, but nothing heavy. Okay, so again, just keeping it simple, kind of in and out of trading whilst we experience these sort of phase two moves, which is also nice. It could be a good way to end the month, but just on hold right now, looking for that longer term, bigger move to the upside in the stock market. So that's how we're looking to play it this week. Plan is to make it another great week like we did last week as well. Plenty of different training opportunities. For those of you who aren't members yet of the Golden Playbook, definitely get on board with that. Just visit traderprofits.com and navigate towards that area. and you'll see a whole host of different member benefits that we can get straight to you. So those of you who are members, look out for the premium video where we're going through things in a little bit more detail later on in the week. In the meantime, all the best of your trading, and I'll see you soon.